That mountain. Oh yeah. We're going out. I'm a little bit groggy. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Everyone in the building just gets together.
Hilo ako ah. Some cheese. Nahilo ka? Para kang nirimnan sa buong tao. Alala ko lang. Ano?
Ngayon tatlo lang.
I remember always Mama Ellie when we're always riding ferry. She's always when we are already here going out, and she's telling always like, oh my God, looks like I got raped with 10 person. And now she's telling only 3. so crazy.
Not much this.
Not much this year. But looks like she already experienced rape by 10 by 10 people. So weird. Actually, it's not funny. Sorry. It's not funny. They're looking at me. All people is looking at me. They don't understand, but they are like laughing a lot. Thank you.
It's okay.
Informing us that this way. So we're going out. We're going to the exit. Pampered girl. Pampers girl.
Huwag mo isabi dyan sa ano ko. Naik mo. Nag-ano kasi ako saan tayo pa.
So yeah. Thank you for riding with us. Ay. Oh my God. Whew. Yeah, Mama Ellie is always have a... Hi guys, ingat sa walking. Yes. You see? No, I don't like. Mama Ellie is like to rent a bicycle. So there is a bicycle in here. So you can rent this one, and me, I might go this one. You see? I might go that bicycle. I cannot drive so the big one. Ay ay ay.
Bakit ka nag-rent?
Ma'am, makikita mo mayroon akong binidyo doon na small bicycle. I will gonna rent for that. Hoy, ang sarap pala maligo dito. Feeling ko lang. Ay, ganda. Parang pwede pa maligo dito? Pwede maligo dito? Lama Island. We are in Lama Island. Hi, my friend. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Here's Lama Island.
Kasi tingnan na kung saan tayo magpunta. Baka hindi na tayo makadaan dito mamaya.
Bakit?
Magdaan tayo, wala naman ibang ferry dito. So dito tayo mag-picture mamaya din. Pagdating natin.
Ferry. Aberdeen. Asan ba kayong winuwalk nyo last time? Doon tayo or hindi? Ha?